late. She makes me late too, so I'm used to it. We got our little volunteers out giving out our trophy slips. We're going to get ready to rock and roll here with the Pro-Am. This is our Ed Fountain Park BMX's first Pro-Am. Once we get it rolling, we get more efficient. It takes us a little while. Our learning curve is pretty flat. All right, we got our trophy slip. Give her out. Our volunteer kids going to go ahead and help us out. Let's give it up for the kids out here.
We're still here.
Helping us out. And while you're clapping, please find a trash can.
Yeah. Shelby,
please.
Shelby's done.
I don't like picking up trash.
Riders, let's set them up.
Yeah.
On the gate. Riders ready? Watch your lights.
Out of the gate they come. Look at that. Soto with
yeah.
the whole shot coming out in front. McPherson tucking in the two spot. Miller back there in the 3. In the lead. Oh, we got action up front. We got Soto. Miller, watch Nate Miller. He's got it. Into that first turn they come. Soto, Miller, McPherson. 1, 2, 3 through the rim section they come. We got fast action going on the outside. It's Miller. Oh, look at that. Little brake check into the last turn. Going to take Miller.
Yeah, right at the end, the last turn.
That racing right there?